I'm going to show you how you can use Helium 10 for product research in the UAE. So for example, here I'm on the dashboard and I'm going to go to tools. Now on tools, you want to go to black box here under product research. Just click on that. Now on black box here, just wait for it to load. Now, first things first, we want to go to in the section here. Right now it's set to America, right? But we want to go to the UAE, which is this. This is the flag, UAE. Now on the marketplace and category, I'm just going to click on select all. That needs improvement. I'm going to click on a lot of improvements, where a competition is medium and I want to sell my product for around this much and a monthly revenue of around this much. I'm going to click on search, and then it'll search up the products for me to find for in the UAE. So there you go, just like this. The result will appear just like this, and you have your product research done. Now you can find all of these products and you can see all of the details right here in Helium 10. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.